Today's Open E Blues turnaround. And then that's not it. You know what I'm talking about?
The basic turnarounds. So we have this. If we take this chromatically down, we get this. Immediately we get a turnaround. So 4th fret, 3rd fret, 2nd fret, and E, or E7. And immediately we have a very, very crude turnaround. I say crude because we don't need the whole chord. The whole idea here is to build licks out of this. So the first lick is gonna be this. Right? We're just gonna choose notes of the chords. Now, even if we play the whole chord shape and we just play strings 1 and 3, we get this. And this is the first turnaround we're gonna learn. You can also hammer on the 0 to 1 on the 3rd string. So it's 4 and 4, 3 and 3, 2 and 2, and 0 and 1. All on strings 1 and 3. This is your very first turnaround.
It's sure. Sure. So we start off with these two fingers, second string, 1st fret, 2nd finger, 3rd string, 2nd fret. You pluck both of them. You're sliding up to the 4th fret. And it's pick the 4th, or pick the 3rd string, 2nd string, back to the 3rd string, move up a half step, pick the 3rd, the 2nd, the 3rd, up again, so that is an E on the 4th string. So it's once you get down here to the 1st fret, you hammer on the E on the 4th string. Open A, 5th string, B flat, B. If you land with your middle finger on the B, then you can put your 1st finger here and your 3rd finger, 3rd string, 2nd fret. That's a B7.